Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is lifestyle tutorials. As you can see here, this is a video from John Doman. We can see this is keyword everywhere. We can see key tags. These are the key tags. We are able to see TUBEBUDDY is able to show us video metrics, and we can see the video has 400k viewership. We can see this is the video. This is exactly the video. We can see it has 1.2 comments to 27.8 likes. Ranked number 7. It is 70% in the SEO. We can see the keywords, that the tags that they used. Then for today, at YouTube channel, we'll be able to review the package of the plans of vidiq. The plans that vidiq, or the plan and pricing of vidiq. We can see these are the plans. These are the plans of vidiq. We can see that one is being charged at to pay monthly. You are charged $10 USD Pro. For most, the popular one is you pay $49 per month, and the maximum you pay $99 US per month. But I'll be able to see what the difference of the boost and the pro packages. We can see here it is 2 times more views on new videos. You're able to make better thumbnails with ultimate AI thumbnail builder access. You get 50 daily videos powered by AI, unlimited customization. Save time of publishing the video with AI description generator. Discover the latest keyword trend in rising keyword. Unlimited AI recommendation for better YouTube. Create 5 trends track on the video on the VP, all YouTube analytics metrics. So in this one, we can see this is my preferred because it sounds cheaper. 10 daily video ideas powered by AI. Keyword search discovery. Track and learn competitive channel. Learn the best time to post, and especially learning the best time to post. Dozens of additional features on your channel. Once we pay for the monthly package, we'll be able to pay $10 US per month. But if we pay for yearly, we'll save 30 annual billing. We'll save $30. So once you see for pro for monthly, it is $10. But once you buy for yearly, you will pay 7.5 per month. We'll say upgrade to pro. Once we say upgrade to pro, it will give us tell us the pro building annual. We say add promo code. Promo code aren't eligible with PayPal. So for this option, I'll be paying with my PayPal. I'll come here in my PayPal, and once I get in my PayPal, I'll be able to cash out and get this package package. It tells me your video IQ has been updated. Check the email shortly for your guide on how to maximize your video queue upgrade. So we'll go to dashboard. We'll see what package we have. I'm sure it has upgraded. It has upgraded to this version. I've paid for $90. So we'll go to initially our video. We refresh. We see whether now we will be able to supercharge your YouTube. So when I get to my Gmail, it tells me Edward, welcome to vidiq Pro. So vidiq Pro. This is Edward. Welcome to vidiq Pro. We have highlighted best tools available for vidiq for you to start using right away. AI daily ideas. We know that brainstorming ideas of video can be very time consuming task that you might not be able to complete. We are glad to work for you. Save hours researching your next hit video by using AI daily ideas. Welcome to AI daily ideas, customized idea. We can see get ideas for my channel. AI Coach is a powered tool that uses artificial intelligence to help create more effective content. When with AI Coach, you have answered even every burning question you have got regarding YouTube and your content. I'm a personal available. How can I fix how to get more views so we can get it? Take my coach. So this is my channel. At least now I'm on a pro subscribe package for the next 12 months. Ensure you stick with me. Thank you for sticking with me at the end of the video recording. It was ultimate guide on how to buy on plan and pricing for vidiq. Thank you.